In this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit about a little-known feature in the FileZilla FTP client. FileZilla is an FTP client for Windows and Macintosh, and it has this feature called QuickConnect. So I'm going to teach you how to connect to a website using the QuickConnect feature, which means you don't have to save your hosting information into FileZilla. So the first thing you want to do when you're going to use QuickConnect is enter in your host name. This is the address of the web server that you're going to connect to. Then, as usual, you would type in your username and your password. If you have to enter into a different port, the default port for FTP is 21 and for SFTP is 22. If you don't know it, just leave it blank and then click on the Quick Connect button. As you can see, it'll roll through all of the FTP connections in this little window at the top until you get to the bottom where it says directory listing successful. At that point, your directory on the remote site will be listed in the right-hand column. Then, because this is a website, I need to go to my public HTML folder, and from there I can choose, once I'm on my website URL on my local drive, I can choose the file I want to upload and double-click it to upload, just like I would if you used something other than the Quick Connect. Then, when you're done, you just disconnect from the server by clicking on this icon right here. As you can see, it says it disconnects from the currently visible server. And then you're not connected to any server, and you can start over and connect to another server. As you can see, it holds all the host and username information, so if you realize you forgot something, you can then go back and click on the Quick Connect again and connect to that server right away. And that's how you use FileZilla QuickConnect.